Michael's Kitchen. This is a part 2 of our 3-part Christmas dinner, so watch the third episode, the third part. This one features Alicia making her famous mashed potatoes. Enjoy the video.
So here are our chefs getting ready for dinner or making dinner. So what you guys are making?
What do you got over there, sweetheart?
I'm making some of my famous mashed potatoes. I already put the potatoes to boil, and here I've got a little secret cream. Not a secret, but
Secret cream.
Her secret cream for her mashed potatoes to make it softer. So now what you're putting in your sauce for the mashed potatoes?
So I've already got some heavy whipping cream, butter, and a little bit of garlic. I'm just kidding, it's a lot of garlic.
Always lots of garlic.
Yes, garlic, and then...
And salt.
Yes.
That's it?
Yeah.
A lot of chopping here. They're just doing some chives. Now what are you doing, baby?
I've got some bacon cooking over here for my potatoes, because who doesn't love bacon? Bacon makes everything better.
Okay.
So my potatoes are done, so I'm going to take them over here and drain them. Just finishing up. And you can see, I've done a lot, because, you know.
So now you're gonna flip it?
Yeah.
It's done?
Yeah, because it cooks on both sides with the griddle. Makes things easier. And then here you can see that I'm catching all the grease. And you'll see why later. When my bacon is done and I have to peel my potatoes, and then I'll start mixing everything. Fun of making potato. Here comes the forgotten part of making mashed potatoes. So I've mashed the potatoes, but you guys know how to mash potatoes. And I already added a little bit of my sauce. I put paprika in here, that's why it has this color. And it just makes it easier to mash, and I make sure to grab or to catch any of the garlic that's at the bottom, because we love garlic in this house. And then I have some bacon grease from earlier. I mean, some people might think it's, but it adds a little bit of flavor. Not all of it though. And then I also have bacon. I'm not going to put all of this in. It's just, I'll be using some of that
Sprinkles.
to layer it on top later. And then some of the green chives or green onions.
Yeah, the chives.
And then I have cheese, but I'll put that in after I mix it. So here go my mashed potatoes. And there was a little bit of Parmesan added. Usually don't do that, but it's still gonna be good because it's Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna flatten this out so I can add my cheese and bacon to the top. To go, I'll put a nice little layer of bacon at the top. And if you don't like bacon, this recipe is not for you. Just letting you know that now. And then on top of there, I'll put some Colby Jack cheese on top and a nice good layer of it because I like cheese.
We all like
Yes,
cheese in
nice
this house.
Potatoes. Well, if I use the whole bag, I'm sorry.
Cheesy mashed potatoes.
Yes, cheesy and bacony mashed potatoes.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my potatoes in the oven at 350 degrees till it's around, since the potatoes are already cooked and nice and melted.
Well, so coming out to the color on those.